Gently, gently. You're doing well. Come right this way.
Blemish check complete. Data uploaded. Specimen meets all criteria.
Watch these white bull horn bracelets go from raw materials to polished perfection.
The one, RH457. Make a note of the marbling. Yes, very good.
Gently, gently. You're doing well. Come right this way.
Blemish check complete. Data uploaded. Specimen meets all criteria.
Easy now, big fella. You're all secure. Everything looks good.
Premium bin is almost full already. Yes, make sure the amber ones have clear veins before placing them.
As part of Step 8 verification, the worker meticulously inspects each blank before grouping them by color and size in the storage tray.
Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. This video is generated for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas are inspired by public info and competitor concepts that are written using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VEO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing. This is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.